Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to link bank card to PayPal accounts with just your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here under your notification, click on here. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you can do here is to simply click on link credit card. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your card details. So from the top, I'm going to enter the card number. Then I'm going to simply choose the card type right here, MasterCard. Then expire date and the year. Just like so. Then I'll enter the security code at the back of the card. Just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on link card. And if you would like to save the card on GPay, simply click on save. But if you are not interested, simply click on no thanks. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply link a bank card to your PayPal account with just your mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.